actually came really fast, so I'm very excited. Let's dig into it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Oh, my baby mother. Okay, here it is. Oh my gosh. Wow, so official. Oh my goodness. I can see all of his handles on the inside. GoMax racing. Got my numbers on the back. 888. And my name. Oh my goodness. Wow. It looks so good.
The gloves.
Next is the gloves. Oh my gosh. Right off the bat, these are so much nicer than the ones I have right now. Oh my goodness. Wow. I'm gonna try them on. Oh, that's so cute. It has my numbers right here too. I was very kind enough to include a t-shirt so I can represent. Oh my goodness, so cute. Oh my gosh. Very, very cute.